My husband's gonna be very happy because there's a lot of meat in this dish. Hi guys, the next couple days we're gonna be in our backyard building a deck. So today I thought I would make a big casserole with several different kinds of meat, veg, cheese, the whole bit. So let's do this. Now I'm gonna start with chopping up some onions, jalapeno, and red pepper. For the jalapeno, if you don't want a lot of spice, then take out the stem and the seeds. And wear gloves. Now I'm going to pre-cook our meat, including a pound of chicken, that's ground chicken, a pound of ground beef, 2 teaspoons of garlic, minced garlic, my jalapeno, my red pepper, my onion, some salt, pepper, and now we just fry it until it's all done. In the meantime, I'm going to cook 6 slices of bacon in the air fryer for 10 minutes. I like to mash up the meat a little bit so I can spread it better in the casserole dish. All right, the meat and the bacon are coming along nicely. So in my sauce, I added 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, 1 can of diced tomatoes, a half a can of milk, some crushed red pepper flakes to taste, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of paprika, salt and pepper, and we set it aside. Now I have to shred a bit of cheese for this. I am going to be using the rest of my store-bought shredded cheese that came out of my trailer, but that's just not enough, so I'll have to shred some cheese. If you want to pick up one of these shredders, they're amazing. I use it all the time, and it's in my description if you want to go on Amazon and grab one for yourself. The cheese is so much better than the store-bought. Now we're gonna build everything. We're gonna layer everything in this dish, starting with the meat. Use half of the meat mixture. This. Oh my God, it looks so amazing. And the smell coming from this. Unfortunately, my camera messed up again. I'm having problems with it. And you didn't see the layered part of the video, but it was so simple. All I did was in a grease casserole, I put half my meat, half my rice, half my sauce, and half my cheese. I did that 2 times for 2 layers. And then I put bacon at the end with a little bit of parsley on top. I baked it in a 350 oven for 20 minutes, and then I put it on broil for 5 minutes. And this is what you get. Oh my God. My husband's gonna be very happy because there's a lot of meat in this dish. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.